Unraveling the Shades of Wild Green. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of English phrases and uncovering the meaning behind wild green. Whether you're a budding English learner or just looking to polish your language skills, understanding these colorful expressions can be both fun and insightful. So, let's explore together and add a splash of wild green to our language palette. The phrase, wild green, isn't a standard expression you'd find in your typical English textbook. In fact, it's a phrase that combines two words, each rich with its own connotations and imagery. Wild suggests something untamed and free, often associated with nature and wilderness. It brings to mind images of dense forests, untrodden paths, and a sense of adventure. Green, on the other hand, is a color deeply rooted in the symbolism of growth, renewal, and life. It's the color of grass, leaves, and much of the natural world in its most lush and vibrant state. When we put these two words together to form wild green, we conjure up images of nature at its most untamed and verdant. Think of a jungle or a forest that hasn't been touched by human hands, where the plants and foliage grow in abundance and with vigor. Wild green can also be used metaphorically to describe feelings, ideas, or situations. Here are a few examples to consider. Emotions. Someone might say they're feeling wild green to express a feeling of youthful exuberance or a sense of new beginnings. Ideas. A new, innovative idea could be described as wild green, indicating that it's fresh and has potential to grow. Situations. An untamed or unexpected turn of events might be referred to as wild green, suggesting that it's full of life and unpredictability. When using the phrase wild green, it's important to consider the context. Be descriptive. Use it to add a vivid description to your narratives or explanations. Know your audience. Ensure that your audience understands metaphorical language, as wild green may not be immediately clear to all English learners. Emphasize creativity. This phrase is perfect for creative writing or when you want to evoke the richness and vitality of whatever you're describing. We hope this exploration of wild green has added a new shade to your understanding of English phrases. Remember, language is a living thing, full of color and life, just like the most untamed corners of nature. Keep nurturing your language skills, let them grow wild and green, and who knows what beautiful expressions you'll discover next. Thank you for watching, and may your learning journey be as vibrant and thriving as a wild green forest.